What's up, guys? So if you use this sound, I'll like your video, subscribe to you, and comment on your video. But there's obviously a catch, because that's so much. And what if a lot of people use it? So there's a catch. At 10 a.m. Bahrain time on Sunday. Sunday the 12th of April. I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna put it in my calendar. It's gonna stop. I'm not gonna comment anymore. So I hope you guys. Abuse this as much as you possibly can. Okay, guys? So next Sunday, 10 a.m. Bahrain time. Bye-bye.